Say happy birthday, Free.
Happy birthday, Free.
Say I love you.
I love you.
You my everything.
You my everything.
I'm thinking of you.
รอบที่2แล้วนะ
I'm thinking of you.
I'm thinking love you.
I want a wedding ring. You talking to Free? It's Free. It's my uncle's birthday. He over there. It's his birthday. That's why we here today. Tell him you want a wedding ring. Say I want a wedding ring. He might get it. Oh. Okay. Well.
I can say I wanna.
Nah, real talk though, son. Salute to my guy Free, man. That's my favorite YouTube personality of all time. I'll never forget. 3.5 years ago, we sitting at Flip. We was drinking Presidente Blacks. And he was like, son, why don't you start a YouTube? You're a funny ass nigga. And I said, what's so about me? And we had a little, you know what I mean? A little back and forth. And then I realized that, like, it's free money. The nigga name is Free Society. Happy birthday to my guy, man. That's my guy. I used to talk to his mama and shit. You heard? That's a fact, though. She from Brooklyn. Shout out to Mama Free. Fact, though. Yeah, and Free and Wifey got a crush on each other. I mean, it is what it is. Case of that. But salute, man. I love y'all, man. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe. We out here in Pattaya. We macking, we wildin'. That's a fact, though, son. Look at this shit. This is the type of shit y'all niggas don't be knowing nothing about. Alright, now I'm into this shit. Next cut scene, John's twerking. Me, I probably sleep or swimming. I'm either sleep or swimming. Next cut scene, fact though. Happy birthday to the good fella, Free Society. That's a fact though. Alright, we at the yacht. That was quick as hell. And this is not a real life jacket on me. This is a fake life jacket. This is fake. This doesn't exist. And the tour guide keep flirting with me. She don't know what's good. We gotta take off your shoes for them.
Oh yeah.
Right here. I really don't feel like it. I ain't gonna hold y'all, son. I do got socks over slippers. That's nasty. That's nasty work. Okay, well we out here. Look at my nigga Free.
I'm falling.
Oh, my nigga falling. I'm falling and I can't get up. We about to get Free tonight. Fact though. What else, Free? Go ahead, son. Go ahead, run the show, son. Someone.
I sit everywhere.
It is your birthday though.
Yes, sir.
Can somebody say happy birthday? It's my uncle's birthday.
No one gets.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You didn't say it.
Happy birthday.
Let's go down the line.
Happy birthday.
We out here, son. You
Thank
good?
you, bro. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Am I embarrassing you again? Sit down. We want to say happy birthday to Free. Say happy birthday, Free.
Happy birthday. Oh.
Yeah, Free is his birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to Free. He is our best friend. He's the coolest nigga I know. Don't unplug him. Go best friend. Go best friend. That's my best. Oh my God, yo. You on the boat with the good fellas, man. I'm smacked, but we gonna have a good time. Where you going, girl? Where you going, girl? Happy birthday, Free.
Happy birthday, Free.
You're my everything. Free, I love you. Say happy birthday, Free.
Happy birthday.
Free. Say I love you.
I love you.
Say I wish you the best.
I
Say I wish
I wish
you
you
the best,
the best,
and I love you,
and I love you.
and she loves you more. Say I love you more, Bree.
I love you more, free.
It's my uncle's birthday.
เราโฮค่ะโฮค่ะไม่เอาแล้วค่ะแล้วก็ส่งเล่นๆคนละโดดไปค่ะ
Say happy birthday, Bree. You gotta look at the camera. You gotta look right here. Say happy birthday, Bree.
Happy birthday.
Say I love you. You my everything.
แบบนี้แล้วก็เหมือนนั่นแหละล่าสุด
I look right here. Say happy birthday, Bree.
Happy birthday
Bree. Say I love you.
แซ่เล็บอยู่
You're not supposed to say the word. Say it. You don't say the word. Say it. Bree, I love you.
I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. You wailing. We good. I think we good. Hey, yo. We just hit the bay. Shout out to the good fellas. Shout out to my guy Free. Again, this is a birthday live. We're gonna see what's shaking out here. We with the fellas. J Money in there, macking some Free right here trying to act cool for no reason, like it ain't his birthday and shit, which is strange. It's a free day, son. You heard? And we ain't paying for nothing because everything is free, especially today. Yeah, we macking. Facto.